Hey everyone, Rich here from Earthwise Packaging, and our SST Shrink Sleeve System by CoolJarz is pretty robust and rarely needs repair. If you find yourself in need of warranty or repair, please prepare your SST system for shipping by doing these couple of things. First, remove the water bottle and steam head. We will not need these to repair your SST. Next, remove the stand if you have one on your SST system. Just remove the 4 screws at the bottom of the unit by using a 1/4-inch socket. Save the screws for when your SST machine returns. Doing these couple of things gets your SST machine ready for repair quicker, saves on shipping both ways, and helps our environment just a little bit. If you like these videos, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Finally, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.